Function slow slides end is a function that navigates between slides. It adjusts the slide index based on user interaction and ensures that only the current slide is visible. For the slides i.style.display equals to none, it hides all slides. Next, slide index -1.style.display equals to block, which shows the correct slide. The next function will be function plus slides end, which adjusts the slide index by either incrementing or decrementing it based on user clicks on the next or previous buttons. This is the manual control of the carousel slider. Function start carousel initiates the slideshow on page load and sets it to automatically move to the next slide every 7 seconds using set interval. You can change this value to any number of seconds. This part here changes the slides every 7 seconds. The next line, which is start carousel, initiates the carousel. Hence, the JavaScript code setup creates a looped, automatically advancing photo gallery that also responds to user input for manual control. That completes the interaction for the front-end control of the carousel using JavaScript and back-end access to the images using Jinja.do templates function, render template to access the images from the /static/gallery folder in the server through the routes.py code. Next script. We look at the event and newsfeed feature in the index.html file. It is similar in some functions like the use of Jinja.do templating and setting up of routes, but there is a difference in that it accesses the database instead of a folder for the information. Hence, it will have to access both the routes.py and models.py. First off, let's start with the event calendar section. This part defines the section of the web page dedicated to displaying upcoming events, applying CSS styling through the event calendar class. Next, this h2 upcoming events/h2 defines the section of the web page dedicated to displaying upcoming events, applying CSS styling throughout the event calendar class. We have a Jinja template here which begins a loop to iterate over each event in the upcoming events list provided by Flask's render template context. Over here, it is the container for each event's details. Next, we have a comment here which displays the title of the event. Over here, this line formats and displays the event date using the strftime method. Which says location event location displays the location of the event. Next, this Jinja part here specifies the content to display if the upcoming events list is empty. Over here we have the container for the message. Over here we have the message displayed when there are no events available. And right now we end the loop over here. The next part here provides a link to a page with all events start with the btn class. Finally, the slash section part is the end of the section. And the div part shows the end of the div container.